I've worked with the library my entire career here at Medtronic. One of the things I appreciate is how reliable they have been in their selection of resources, those online databases, and they've been very receptive to our feedback.
Working with the library staff, it just gives me a lot of confidence, knowing that my work is going out into the world, basically, to other notified bodies and FTAs around the world.
We've had the Medtronic Library do an in-depth review recently on a company we're considering acquiring, and they reviewed multiple journal articles and extracted important content for us to aid us in the decision whether we should be licensing or acquiring this company.
In medical affairs, literature is very important, so we rely on the library staff to inform us of the appropriate distribution of that literature.
In science and technology, we serve as consultants to all the different business units of Medtronic. And in solving the problems of all those different business units, we never quite know what problems we're going to see on a day-to-day basis. And so having access to all the different journals through the Knowledge Center lets us be able to find the information we need to solve that diverse set of problems.
I work in post-market clinical, and I need to access peer-reviewed journals on a regular basis to stay aware of what the current clinical evidence landscape is. I use this information to help inform me as to what exists and to ensure that what we design for post-market clinical studies is going to provide clinically meaningful information and have value.
The resource I use most commonly within the Medtronic Library is their PubMed site. I go into the Medtronic Library, I access PubMed through the library because then I know I will be able to download the articles. Anything available to Medtronic I can quickly identify, pull it up, click on the link, PDF arrives, and I'm downloading it in my mailbox.
The library is the first place that I go to for online databases. I'm in those databases at least twice a week. I'm looking for information about the competitors, about technology, about healthcare economics, and our customer segment.
The staff has been really helpful in providing guidance on the best databases to use and also how to navigate those databases to achieve the results I need.
I like to use the library's collection to find either archived, older data values that might be still very relevant to what I'm doing today. I like to find recently published information on maybe the specific problem that we're working on, or I like to be able to go in and find a specific journal article using Google Scholar and the SFX links to get back to exactly that article that is usually in our eJournal collection.
The breadth of the information from the library we're able to retrieve is incredibly important and critical to doing an efficient job in business development. As we look at the world, we need a snapshot of what's happening today. What are all the startup companies? What clinical trials are being run? What's the greatest and latest research? So that today we can grab all that information and start making a decision around what's available and what path we might want to head down.
I really like using the Medtronic library because it's so cost efficient for the entire corporation, but it's also time efficient for me. I can do a better job because I have access to those databases.
They're highly trained, they're very good at their jobs, and I feel like they care about my project as much as I do.